Do you ever wonder how you can fortify your body's defenses against illness and infection? In a world where maintaining optimal health is more crucial than ever, discovering the secrets to bolstering your immune system has become a top priority for many. But what if I told you that the key to enhancing your immune resilience lies in the realm of keto-friendly superfoods? Join me on a journey as we explore the transformative potential of these nutrient-packed wonders and learn how they can help you unlock a robust immune system. In today's fast-paced world, our immune systems are constantly under assault from environmental stressors, pathogens, and the demands of modern life. But fortunately, nature has provided us with a wealth of potent superfoods that can help strengthen our body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. And the best part? Many of these immune-boosting superfoods are perfectly suited for those following a ketogenic lifestyle. But first, what are the benefits of carefully selecting what you eat? Nutrient density. Keto-friendly superfoods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a crucial role in supporting immune function. From vitamin C-rich leafy greens to zinc-packed nuts and seeds, these nutrient powerhouses provide the building blocks your body needs to fend off illness and stay healthy. Stable energy levels. Unlike traditional high-carb diets that can lead to energy crashes and fluctuations in blood sugar levels, a ketogenic diet fueled by superfoods provides a steady source of energy throughout the day. By relying on fats for fuel, rather than carbohydrates, you can avoid the energy dips and cravings associated with blood sugar spikes and crashes. Enhanced brain function. Keto-friendly superfoods such as avocados, wild-caught fatty fish, and coconut oil are rich in healthy fats that support brain health and cognitive function. These foods provide essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are known to improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. Improved heart health. Many keto-friendly superfoods, such as nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are rich in heart-healthy fats that support cardiovascular health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support overall heart function, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health conditions, including autoimmune disorders and cardiovascular disease. Many keto-friendly superfoods boast anti-inflammatory properties that help quell inflammation and promote healing within the body, reducing the risk of chronic disease and enhancing immune function. Gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a robust immune system, as most of our immune cells reside in the gut. Keto-friendly superfoods such as fermented vegetables, bone broth, and probiotic-rich foods help nourish beneficial gut bacteria, strengthen the intestinal barrier, and support immune function from within. Stabilized blood sugar. Stable blood sugar levels are critical for maintaining a strong immune response, as high blood sugar can impair immune function and increase susceptibility to infection. Keto-friendly superfoods that are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of immune dysfunction and supporting overall health. Here are a few tips for harnessing the power of keto-friendly superfoods. Diversify your plate. Aim to incorporate a wide variety of keto-friendly superfoods into your diet to ensure you're receiving a broad spectrum of nutrients. Include plenty of leafy greens, colorful vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and antioxidant-rich berries in your meals to optimize immune function and overall health. Prioritize quality. When it comes to selecting keto-friendly superfoods, quality matters. Opt for organic, locally sourced, and minimally processed options whenever possible to maximize nutrient density and minimize exposure to harmful chemicals and toxins. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor your meals to fully appreciate the nourishing power of keto-friendly superfoods. Chew your food thoroughly, engage your senses, and cultivate gratitude for the abundance of nutrients that are fueling your body and supporting your immune system. Incorporate herbs and spices. Enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals by incorporating herbs and spices into your cooking. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley not only add vibrant flavor but also provide antioxidants and other health-promoting compounds. Spices such as turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties and can support immune function and overall well-being. Practice intermittent fasting. Consider incorporating intermittent fasting into your keto lifestyle to enhance the benefits of keto-friendly superfoods. Intermittent fasting can help optimize fat burning, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote cellular repair and regeneration, further supporting immune health and overall vitality. Experiment and enjoy. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with new keto-friendly superfoods and recipes. Incorporate flavorful herbs and spices, try out different cooking methods, and explore ethnic cuisines to keep your meals exciting and your taste buds satisfied. Let's see now some keto-friendly superfoods to boost your immune system. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens are rich in immune-boosting vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Incorporate them into salads, smoothies, soups, and stir-fries for a nutrient-packed boost. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with antioxidants that help combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Enjoy them fresh as a snack, or add them to yogurt, chia pudding, or keto-friendly desserts for a sweet and satisfying treat. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and other fatty fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support immune function. Enjoy them grilled, baked, or smoked for a delicious and nutritious source of protein and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that support immune health. Enjoy them as a crunchy snack, sprinkle them over salads or yogurt, or use them to add texture to baked goods and savory dishes. Fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and other fermented foods are rich in probiotics that help support a healthy gut microbiome and strengthen the immune system. Incorporate them into your diet as a side dish, condiment, or snack to promote gut health and enhance immunity. Grass-fed beef stir-fry. Create a flavorful stir-fry using grass-fed beef strips, colorful bell peppers, broccoli florets, and sliced mushrooms. Season with garlic, ginger, and coconut aminos for a savory and satisfying meal that's packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Keto green smoothie. Blend together spinach, kale, cucumber, avocado, coconut milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutrient-dense green smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or post-workout fuel. Add a handful of berries or a spoonful of almond butter for extra flavor and sweetness without the added sugars. Salmon and avocado salad. Enjoy a refreshing salad made with wild-caught salmon, avocado slices, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. This nutrient-packed meal is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants and makes for a satisfying and delicious lunch or dinner option. Chia seed pudding. Whip up a creamy chia seed pudding using unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds, vanilla extract, and a pinch of stevia or monk fruit sweetener. Top with fresh berries, shredded coconut, and chopped nuts for added flavor and texture. This indulgent yet nutritious dessert is perfect for satisfying sweet cravings while supporting your ketogenic lifestyle. The quest for optimal immune health begins with the foods we choose to nourish our bodies. By incorporating a diverse array of keto-friendly superfoods into your diet, you can provide your immune system with the support it needs to thrive in today's challenging world. From nutrient-dense leafy greens and antioxidant-rich berries to omega-3 packed fatty fish and gut-nourishing fermented foods, the possibilities are endless when it comes to enhancing your immune resilience with keto-friendly superfoods. So, take charge of your health, prioritize nutrient-rich whole foods, and embrace the transformative power of keto-friendly superfoods to unlock a robust immune system and enjoy vibrant health and vitality for years to come. Here's to thriving immune health and a life filled with wellness and abundance. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have just learned something new. Do not forget to subscribe for more keto diet-related tips and recommendations, and check out other videos on our channel.